Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Bruin Steel here, and welcome to this blog. So today is Wednesday, August 4th, 5th, yeah, or August 4th, and I am at my sister's and brother-in-law's place, and this is gonna be a blog for you guys. I'm excited because I've never done this before, so basically, I am going to a soccer game. It's at Gillette Stadium. So right now I'm in Boston, and we're about to head out, get pizza, and we're about to attend a soccer game. It's a professional soccer team. I don't really follow soccer, so it's basically the New England Revolution versus the Nashville SC, whatever you call it. I don't know the team's name, but it's going to be at Gillette Stadium. We're going to be driving there. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and it's going to be a fun time. And I heard it's going to rain, so that's going to make it better. I don't know if I'm going to vlog while it rains, but I'll try to get as much footage as I can. I'll see you guys in the place. Hello Luke, I'm vlogging. There's Gillette Stadium. Where are we meeting your friends?
I don't know, we're gonna figure that out. We're going to this entrance over here. Our what?
Hey, what's going on, guys? We are at Gillette Stadium, and I'm about to attend a New England Revolution versus Nashville soccer game. I can't wait. Never been to a soccer game before, so see the member entrance too. Yeah. Hello.
You want to take some pictures in front of this?
Yeah, maybe after? Yeah.
After the game, or?
No, after I'm done. This is a page. So this is the home of the New England Patriots. I am a Pittsburgh Steelers fan, so. Oh yeah, after you have to log in my ticket thing for me, Wendy. So I have my tickets on my phone, guys, so I have to like stop the vlog soon.
I think we're not gonna go in, we're gonna go up and around.
Oh, up and around?
Yeah, to meet them. This is your fault, the situation.
Alright guys, I am back, and before we get into the stadium, I got some food. Look at this. So, I don't know a lot of places about pizza places in Boston, so this is, looks like world's best ingredients. I don't know what pizza place this is, so let me actually try one. That is good.
How would you guys drive up over this way?
Good. I mean, so
So I got, give me a second, I gotta ask my sister or whatever. Wendy, what is this exactly? Alright. So this is called calzone. I don't know what that is. Basically it's called calzone, so I don't know what that is. So let me guys know. So this is what it looks like. Oh, really, really good though. So I think it's pizza folded, and inside basically is like toppings, and it's like hot pockets, pizza pockets, and it's so there's regular cheese in here, and then there's mushroom, onions, and sausage. Like I usually get this a lot at Domino's too.
And they've even got like a whole
So this is the view there. That is really good. But whatever you do, I just heard stadium food is really expensive, so.
I would hope so.
So yeah, I'm pretty excited about the game. I don't really watch soccer, but I heard like the crowds get really wild. But
Same. It's just like West Coast especially, it's just an awkward.
a lot of soccer fans. I don't know why I never heard of the New England Revolutions, but it should be fun. So.
I mean, it's 0-0, and then there's a 9 and 22, and we've got the 22, and they've got the. Oh, they've got
Hello.
the 10 now.
What do we have a hat?
This is the turnabout.
Oh,
My head's over your head.
It's like
what's this for?
5.
It's like a tomato sauce.
Is this mine? Why do I not taste the onion?
Kind of has weird. Yeah, I think
Maybe
Wendy, in volleyball, do you have to win by 2, or is it just first to 25?
You have to win by 2, first one to 21 unless there's tiebreaker.
That's like tennis.
Oh, they're going to 23 though.
They got the Olympics up here too. Another Gillette Stadium. Welcome back.
That's what I wouldn't.
Let's get tomato sauce good.
Also,
Okay.
Yeah. Whoa, look at all that cheese.
places that like I just care about.
That's cheese, man.
And that's why we celebrate them. This month's featured employee is Joey Campanelli. Thank you, Joey, for all your outstanding work.
Check this out.
The match officials for tonight, referee is Silvio.
Are we here?
Assistant referee.
I'll be at the end.
Jeffrey Greason.
Are we 7?
Assistant referee Claudio Nano.
Oh, Wendy, you're
The
good.
fourth official, Lucas
Yeah.
Why?
And
I don't know, I want to be open.
replay officials Jose Carlos Rivero and Thomas Sumble.
Alright guys, we're at the game. Holy shit, we just got
Ladies
to our
and gentlemen,
seats.
the starting 11 for Nashville SC. The goalkeeper and the captain, number 1, Joe Willis. Defender, number 3, Jaleel.
Are we at 7 or 7?
Defender, number 4, David Romney. Defender, number 5, Jack Mayer. Defender, number 15, Eric
It's raining too,
Miller.
guys.
Midfielder, number 19, Alex
It's literally like raining
Midfield number
too.
22, Matt LaGrassa. Defender number 23, Taylor Washington. Midfield number 27, Todd Brian Anunga. And forward number 72, Ake Loba. And forward number 99, Yonder Kadil. The head coach of Nashville SC is Gary Smith.
Yeah, they have like the minute back.
Alright guys. It's literally like raining so hard now. Holy crap.
Actually, good news for you guys.
It's literally like, it's raining so hard right now. Oh my god.
Well, he might be
Check
back,
out the
but they
rain
might,
though.
might give him the game off just because they're playing.
Holy shit, it's like literally raining. Look at the rain, guys. Holy shit.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise and remove your caps for our national anthem. Presenting our nation's colors, the Fall River Police Honor Guard. And here for our national anthem, he's performed on some of the biggest stages with groups such as the Boston Symphony Orchestra, Boston Lyric Opera, and the Boston Pops. Please welcome American tenor Fran Rogers. Ladies and gentlemen, Fran Rogers, member of the 2021 CONCACAF Gold Cup champion, U.S. Men's National Team, number 4, Henry Kessler. Midfielder, number 5, Wilfred Kemptoon. Midfield, number 8, Matt Holster. And forward, number 9, Adam Puxa. Defender, number 15, Brandon Vine. And forward, the 2021 CONCACAF Gold Cup Young Player Award winner from the Canadian Men's National Team, number 17, Tayshaun Buchanan.
Oh. 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 Oh.
I mean, it still has the opportunity.
Oh.
Oh. Watch yourself, Joe. So. I think this is a. Gary Smith would like to bring home a point.
Yep, exactly. This is a midweek game. We're prioritizing.
On the road against the top of the table,
Yeah.
We'll take the point. New England. There are air quotes around New England there. Yes.
Yes, this is New England's home team. No, this is Nashville's home.
Oh. Oh.
Good Joe!
Yeah, so there will always be a team that is home.
I almost got a goal.
It's not going to be like Portland versus Nashville. That was almost never happen.
Usually between 2 and 5.
Oh. Oh.
stay there. You stay there. No. Get in! Last row. Last row.
They got stuck on the last one there.
No.
It is not baseball. It's also a little bit more expensive.
But you have to rub them with the special Ohio River mud. Seriously. Yeah, I know. Yeah. We're missing like half of our starters tonight.
So it's away on the road. Basically, it's a long, hard season, and so this is we'll take the point, so we'll play defensively.
And also Nashville plays defensively anyway. That was our reputation last season. We did have fewest goals scored against, but we also scored very few.
Okay, so in the standing, if you lose a game, you get 0 points in the standing. You tie, you each get 1, and then if you win, you get 10. Right, so basically the idea is that Nashville will come here, and they're not looking to necessarily win this game, they're looking to basically gain 3 points, they're looking to get 8 points.
And also, additionally, deny New England 3 points.
Oh.
There we go.
Yeah, so because soccer allows ties, there's like that, 1-3, 0-1-3 scoring system. And so as a response to that, it basically has become very up until about a year ago, the really fashionable thing to do.
Oh, nice move.
Right? And so the reason for this is you win that second midfield. Right? And so the new and reaction to that is, hey, if you're playing right forward, we don't need 4 defenders. And so 3-5-2 has become very popular, which is basically saying, rather than taking somebody from the forward line and moving them to the midfield,
Nice.
you take somebody from the defensive line and move them over. And then now there are flavors of
Oh, nice steal.
either 3-5-2 or 5-3-2 with flying wingbacks. And a lot of the times,
Oh, that's the.
Come on. It slipped on the ground. Turf monster got him. There was you could see a little bit of that of like,
Yeah.
he felt a little bit of contact, he knew that the ball was a little too far out there and went down for it.
Oh!
Yeah, cooler laser would have worked.
Like one of the blue ones.
Basically, you can't really put it on the ground.
Oh, so the attacker just can't get it down.
It was like can't stand there and force the ball.
Yeah.
He's calling a foul. So a penalty would only happen if it's in the box, yeah.
99 is not Loba, is what I was thinking of.
Okay.
Fucking Loba.
They might have come in at the same time in the driver game, and that might be why I got them confused. Here, there, esports tournament. Oh, goddamn it, it's just to the left.
Number 17 maybe Loba, though. I could look up.
Oh, wow.
Nice. Great tackle.
God, Farrell has played for New England.
Number 2.
Yeah. pretty sure I watched him play here in college.
So like 6 years.
Pretty well for an engine guy.
What?
I said they're looking at the transfer fees for the players instead of 90 million, it's 3.3 million. So that's the DP range.
Yeah.
We're really curious why 99 is playing so hard. It's not he's worth 3.3, the next guy on the team is worth 2.2. And then after that it's just 6.
Yeah, so MLS has what's called the DP rule. So basically they can have 3 players who don't count for themselves.
Why? Just allows for variation, basically.
No, it's because Beckham wanted to play in LA, they couldn't afford his salary underneath actual salary cap when it was a thing, and so they ordered the DP rule. Basically, it's a way of it's a way of acknowledging that.
So, with how generic Nashville's name is their mascot just a card of yellow?
I don't think we have one.
Oh,
So, to be fair to Nashville, there are a large number of, especially in the newer teams in MLS, and then maybe just Austin FC, Montreal FC. So,
what TV station are they broadcasting this on?
But part of that is because
ESPN or Fox, something like that.
Oh, wow.
but they were in like the league below.
So it could actually have a name for them.
Exactly. I mean, there used to be some pretty sweet names. Like there was the Miami Fusion.
That's a good one.
Yeah, the Kansas City Wizards. I thought that was an absolutely excellent name, and they had to change it. They changed and rebranded to Sporting Kansas
Oh.
FC. Sporting Kansas FC. From the Kansas City Wizards, which is just such a classic MLS name. Like one of the OG teams. It's like, I really wish they'd kept it.
Seattle Galaxy? Or no?
LA Galaxy. It's the Seattle Sounders.
That's right, Sounders.
Or
Shittle.
Shittle Galaxy.
as we know them, they're the Flounders.
The Shittle Flounder.
We will accept no praise in Seattle here, despite them having a very, very good season, but I have to acknowledge it for every single bone in my body. They have, if you look at their past 5 games, so we'll go from that, they have 2 wins, 2 losses, and a draw.
Do we really want to talk about Portland's last 5 games?
No. Portland's 20 games might be...
I'm gonna look pat on the head.
Well, the guy said that they banned bags because they block people, right?
They also don't want you to use them as a weapon.
Like I was like about to say, like why don't you just put it like under your shirt if it's not blocking, under the seat, wherever.
Sports stadiums are like notoriously strict about what they'll allow in because you're getting a lot of people.
Oh!
Oh no!
Oh, nice. That was a good defensive play.
Also, you notice that they let you bring things in a clear bag because they can see into it.
Yeah.
So I think maybe got it out.
Soccer seems to have really good sport. Like I saw them like handshaking in the tunnels and stuff. So
It depends.
that was a good defensive player. Where did Wendy go, Luke?
She went to go buy a sweater.
Oh, really? I didn't even bring my wallet, so I can't do shit. So
You don't have your wallet, Jeffrey?
no, because I left. I don't think I'm gonna buy anything.
Yeah, if you want to, though, I'm happy to spot.
No, it's okay. What was that red card? They called a red.
There was a little bit of hit the ground and found that it was
What penalty was that? Was that on yellow or New England?
There was a yellow on that.
I don't know the cards. Red is worse, I heard.
Yeah, so red is the player's ejected from the game. A second yellow is a red.
Oh, so if he gets one more, he's ejected from the game, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
So he will start playing.
Nashville SC yellow card issued to number 22, Matt Lagrassa, in the 33rd minute.
Wow.
Yellow color. In case you missed what color it was. It's very yellow.
Oh, it's coming to us. Oh, that was close. What if it comes to us?
You have to get it back.
No. The rain stopped, Wendy. Wendy, the rain stopped. Right. It's dripping only a little bit. It's not bad.
I wonder if he'll bring in, because he has some stuff going on. I wonder if he'll come in and like just do like a half. Bring him in.
Yeah. I like how people are blowing
Yellow
that
card
thing.
issued to number 2, Andrew Farrell of the Revolution in the 37th minute.
I like how he screwed up this script. I'm good.
What? No, it's okay. Oh!
Okay, I didn't see a foul on that one, but there may have been a foul on that one.
Yeah. Just a quick look at the jerseys I saw up on the board. I counted 1 out of 5 being good. 2 counting our keeps.
When do you get awarded a penalty shot, like you straight on by yourself? Is that like if you get one of the worst fouls, or like when is that?
Inside the box.
Yeah, like when do they award you that kind of shot? Like,
So like the foul has to be inside the box,
oh, okay.
I think. Are there other criteria? Yeah.
Like the guy like by himself, like no wall.
Right.
Oh.
No matter how that foul is, it's on the box. Give me a red card.
And fans are treated with dignity
Alright, guys.
and respect. Racism,
I am
sexism,
totally wet,
homophobia,
and
hate.
yeah,
There's no
I was
place
sitting
for
on these seats,
discrimination
like
in our
totally
game.
wet, and it's
Everyone
basically
is
the end of the
welcome
first half.
to learn more
I'm
about
learning a
soccer
bit
for
about
all.
soccer. I
Visit
never really watched soccer, like I said, and it's like
www.lsoccer.com/.
I don't know. I never watched soccer, so apparently they have like 45 minute
Fans, it's now time
half,
to
and then
tweet
right now it's
your
halftime, and they're gonna
seats.
come back up. Right now it's 0-0, but
Presented by Ocean Spray.
holy shit,
Tweet
soccer
your
is so
seat
intense,
location
like
now,
it's
including
insane. So
section, row,
people are
and
trying
seat
to like maybe use the restroom and stuff. So it's halftime. It's still 0-0, as you can see up there. But it's intense. There's been a lot of good defensive plays, and yeah, my phone's about to die, so I don't know. Like it's been really intense actually. And yeah, soccer I don't really. So it's New England Revolutions and then Nashville. I don't know what their team name is, so it's like I don't know. It's like literally I'm washed out. The rain has stopped, so it's been like raining hard once we got here. So I guess you can see like the feet there. So it's basically yeah. Wow.
Gillette Pro Line. 5 blades and a 50 flex ball designed to get virtually every hair on the first stroke. So you're ready for the day with a fresh base for a fresh start.
So yeah, it's been intense, and I'll see you guys hopefully for the second half. So, yep.
You're right, it is subtle. I'm gonna put this pine tar in there.
Yeah, nobody will notice, but I've got a on my baseball cap. And I touched it before he spit.
That's why you just like so there's like 3 different spots.
No, I'm just signaling this to a third.
We almost wasn't
It's
good.
important this guy to keep peace. Like around me.
That's why I'm playing that.
Yeah. He's seen it all.
He's seen every minute.
The only way they're keeping that now is giving the red card.
Actually true. Can't give play every minute you get a red card.
Oh!
Go!
That was brilliant.
Oh, this could be something.
That's not the saying that he's
Oh, that was. Oh, wow. That was obviously not a foul. Wow. And I got that on video too. No one tripped in, he faked it, but it's.
Like, come on. that is one of those where it's like, that is you're off balance, you feel a little contact, and you go down.
Come on.
Oh, that's a brave lad in the wall there.
That was an unfortunate fake and then called a penalty.
Oh!
Oh! That was close.
Good ball.
Yeah.
At least it's not raining anymore.
So you know what really would change this game though?
A goal?
A goal.
Oh!
It's almost like you've listened to American soccer announcers for any amount of time longer than 5 minutes.
Goals change games. Hashtag goals change games.
Hashtag goal lives matter.
Games change goals.
If it hits over 10, you get half a goal for the tie break.
Yeah. I mean, that would suddenly become a legitimate strategy for Nashville.
Oh.
What?
It's okay.
Yeah. Sure, would you like a poncho again? Wendy has an extra poncho for us. Take it.
What do you mean? You still will for 4 hours. All I can think of when I think of that show is like the clock countdown is so loud. I must say, it is a cool premise for a TV show. Like 24 hours, 24. Now that I think about it more, I don't know if it is. Yeah, it's not Bruce Willis. I rescind all of it.
I always like
It's whatever the orange is. Yeah. No, I can't remember the name. But yeah. Basically, the premise of the show. The premise of the show is it basically takes place over 24 hours. No, 24 hours.
Nashville SC substitutions, numbering 20, Anibal Godoy, and number 17, James Hong, both checking in for number 22, Matt LaGrassa, and number 9.
I said, I love hot moms. I'm like a kid. It looked like a 20-year-old or something like that.
Wait, are they gonna?
I don't know. So for Nashville, it almost seems like a 5-3-2 setup.
Yeah, it is. Confirmed by Dylan.
Confirmed by Gillette.
Yeah. He gave us the history of something. Strategic 5-4-3-5. Oh.
You take it? I will take that result.
Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Bruin Steel here, and I want to let you guys know that this is going to be the end of the blog, and this is just an amazing time and experience for me to go to my first ever soccer game, and it was going to be at Gillette Stadium. Obviously, you guys saw me at the game. It was literally raining so hard, and all I had was my raincoat, and the seats were wet. And my sister, I gotta give a shout out to my sister and my brother-in-law for a fantastic soccer game. They were the ones that asked me if I wanted to go, and I'm like, hell yeah. And they know that I'm sports fans, and I don't necessarily pay attention to soccer, and I learned a lot about soccer, to be honest. And I might actually go to a game in the future. So I'm just repping the Boston Bruins shirt, and people know that I am a Boston fan, so so I'm kind of learning about soccer, and it was a great experience. So I really enjoyed tonight, and if you guys enjoyed this vlog, click that like button, comment, subscribe. I've never been to a soccer game, so this is going to be a great experience putting this vlog on YouTube. And thank you guys so much for the support you have given me throughout the years. And I can't say enough, but by the way, this was a regular season game that I went to, and unfortunately, no one scored a goal, so it ended up being a draw, 0-0. It's unfortunate, but I had a fun time. There were so many good defensive plays, and it's just absolutely insane how crazy and how hard soccer is. And but anyways, I am Bruin Steel. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. I am out. My battery died midway through the second half, and I had to get footage, and shout out to my sister for giving me footage. I really appreciate for her for that. And today is actually my last day in Boston. I have to go back to New York and get ready for the Six Flags trip that I have with some buds. There's gonna be a vlog for you guys then. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you guys so much. Peace.